Alright, so here's an area I need to clear, but there's a lot of brush down there, and I want to get down the pond over there. I think I'm coming down through this way, maybe on down, but that really looks like a place for snakes. So let's weld up a grappling hook type thing that I can just throw over there and drag the logs out into the driveway here, and that way if there's any snakes, they'll just take off. I don't have an overtly fear of snakes, but people say just identify by, oh, the head looks like a triangle. Next, you know, when that thing jumped out at me the other day, I didn't see nothing but a black line shoot across the yard. That thing could have got me. So I'm just gonna pull this brush out, because like way over there on the other side of the property, there's a thing near the stream that I need to, or the artesian well I need to get to, and it's covered with all this stuff. So I'm gonna just weld up a grappling hook out of like I don't know, maybe rebar, maybe. Just throw it out there and just drag it with the lawnmower or riding tractor or garden tractor, whatever they call these things now. I'll just call it riding mower. I don't know, whatever. But I'll drag that out, and then we'll slowly start working this area. Like, I already got a truckload of stuff to take to the dump. I really got to get a fire pit built, but for right now, start my truck and then dump it. It's a little extra work because I have to load the truck, but I'll figure it out. But that cart is fantastic. But let's go ahead and go do some stuff, and then come back home and weld that up, and maybe tomorrow I'll continue this video, which will be just a second for you. We'll see if it works or if I have to make any modifications. Alright. I'll be right back in a minute as far as you're concerned. Sorry, I got sick. So if it sounds like I'm going through puberty, that's what it is. Ooh, that's a really deep voice. Anyway, as you can see, I just welded up a real quick rebar grappling hook. Not very good, but it should definitely snag, and that's what we want. Now, there are things for pulling brush I saw, but you have to walk in there and clamp it, and the whole thing is I'm trying to avoid that because of the snakes. So I just want to take this. I have some poly rope on there. I'll hook it to the tractor over there in a bit. I'll move that back over here, but let's go ahead and throw this in there. You know, let's see if it hooks. See if I can do this without yanking my whole phone away. I guess I'll just grab this little one right here. See that? Perfect. So let me go tie this up and see if we can pull it out. Well, looks like it actually bent the thing a little bit, the rebar, so that's performed much better than I expected it would. I didn't know it was this big. That's like a big limb. I thought it was just brush back there. You know, it was all covered up. Probably full of snakes. I saw a bunch of lizards take off, which I don't think showed up on camera. I didn't see any snakes, but it doesn't mean they ain't there. But definitely a success, so I'll just title this video homemade grappling hook for brush clearing, I guess. For those of us that don't want to get bit by a snake, poisonous or non-poisonous, it's still got teeth, and I don't want them in me. Alright, NCP, y'all have a great day. I got a lot of work to do.